When I multiply by 5 and add 6, I get 21. What is my number? You think about that. I'll quickly take this caller. Hello, who do we have? Hello.
Hello, this is Umar from London.
Hello, Umar. How are you today?
I'm fine.
That's brilliant. I'm sorry, I'm getting hiccups today. I don't know how they happened. How are you today? You said you're fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. What would you like? Would you like to say anything?
Yeah.
Go on.
I've got loads of stuff to say.
You've got loads of stuff to say. Is it on equations? Because today's topic is on equations or spectacular science facts.
I have a question for equation and
Oh, go on then quickly.
A storm officially becomes a hurricane when it reaches wind speeds of 119 kilometers per hour.
Well, so a hurricane reaches. Say that one more time.
A storm officially becomes a hurricane when it reaches wind speeds of 119 kilometers.
190. So a storm officially becomes a hurricane when it reaches 119 kilometers. That is something I didn't know. That is a brilliant fact. Well done for that one.
Plus, the fastest wind speed recorded was 508 kilometers per hour in, I don't know, but...
Okay, that's also a wonderful fact. So keep them coming, and because we're going to go to a short break very shortly, I'll speak to you after the break maybe. So call back after the break. So can you guys think of a nice way to remember it at home? Can we? No? Have a think about it. Let's see. Let's quickly ask one of my guests how they revise stuff at home. Maybe we can get some inspiration from them. So, Fatih, tell me, how do you revise for when you're doing your exams? How do you revise for it?
I just write everything down.
Okay, you write everything down and do you reread it again and again?
Yeah.
Okay, that's terrific. What about you? What do you do?
Well, what I do is like I draw pictures, and that makes me understand a lot.
Okay, that's quite cool. So you draw pictures of whatever you're learning, and then you read through the pictures.
For example, like pie charts and all sorts.
Ah, okay, so that's quite good. So you're a visual learner, yeah? You learn through diagrams. That's really good. And let's see, Reza, what do you do? How do you learn stuff?
I usually look at a book and copy it from there, but I like to watch videos as well. Okay. But this is a kind of a strange way, but sometimes I like to sing when I'm doing.
You like to sing?
Yeah.
I do that sometimes.
You do that too? You like to sing?
Yeah.
You know what? Should we have a go at singing this? Should we have a go at singing this? I know this is embarrassing and I'm not much of a good singer. We're going to be singing live on TV, so are you ready, guys? Let's think of a song. So think about it. What did we do? To work out a fraction of an amount, we divided by the bottom number, and then we times the answer by the top number. So let's think of a song. Ooh. Right. So divide. We're going to hold the corner for a second because we're going to practice some singing. So what we do is we divide by the bottom times the answer by the top. So we go divide by the bottom times by the top. Let's put that in music. Divide by the bottom times by the top. Times by the bottom and times by the top. All day long. Let's sing it together. Let's go. Let's sing it together, guys. So it's divide by the bottom. Come on. At home, you two guys. Divide by the bottom. Times by the top. Divide by the top. Times by the top. Divide by the bottom and times by the top. All day long. Fantastic. So you got it. So all you do is 50 divided by the bottom. 50 divided by 5 is 10. And then times the answer you get, which is 10, times by the top. So 10 times 4 is 140. That's the pound sign, by the way. So